To install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is simple. Start by navigating to the app screen and then select this Google Play Store. Once you're in Google Play Store and it's successfully launched, you're going to use the search function and you're going to look for WhatsApp. Now you can use the on-screen keyboard or you can use your voice to type it out. And then when it appears in the search results, go ahead and select install and wait for it to be downloaded onto your watch. Now do ensure that it is also installed on your phone so that you can be able to sync your accounts and use them across both devices. Now once it's been installed, you can tap on open to launch it. And then from here, it should now start loading any chats. So just go ahead and check your phone to confirm that you wish to compare them together. And then if it's the same code that you're seeing on both sides, just select pair and confirm. And then once that's done, it should link both devices together and you should now be able to see any messages that were available on your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So you can go ahead and chat with people all on your watch. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.